It is week 12 of 2024. I cannot believe we are almost one quarter the way through 2024. I will, of course, go through all of my goals and my actuals from the week, folks. There is a playlist on this channel called Goals Tracking. Do me a favor. If you like this idea of setting tangible weekly goals, setting them, tracking them, and of course, sharing the results, good or bad, I highly recommend this exercise. What you are seeing me do here is something very similar to what I have done the last 20 years across all the important things I was trying to get done. Whether I was launching a brand new software that eventually would hit 100 million, I did this. Whether I was trying to learn my market of Fresno, California 20 years ago, this is what I did. If I wanted to build a YouTube channel from zero, no editing, I did these things. So again, folks, what I'm about to go through are the actuals for week 12. I will, of course, highlight for you, as you have asked, how much money did I make on YouTube with a 1,000 sub channel, 3,000 sub channel, yes, and the main channel. You will see those results. I have nothing to hide. So let's bring up the spreadsheet. And of course, I will pick up Sonny, who is whining over here. Hey, Sonny, we're recording, buddy. What's going on? Let's go. All right. So we are in week 12. Again, if you don't know the layout of this spreadsheet, there are goals on the left, and right next to those columns are targets. We're certainly not hitting all targets all weeks. In fact, I would tell you every week we have missed some, and some we've missed by a mile. But that's the importance of doing this, right? You are sharing results, the actuals, regardless if they are good or bad. So again, as we get into week 12, I have a health goal. We did only 60,000 steps. If you don't recall, the goal is 70, so I missed that. Did not run enough in Vegas. Only did 6 miles. Bad, huge miss. I did some CrossFit workouts, so I got my weights on, lifted some heavy weights, did some tests, but I did not run, so I missed that. My weight is ticking back up to where it started, 206, so that's not good. But finally, after 12 weeks, I got to meet with a Las Vegas agent. Actually, I've had a couple of conversations. So again, if you are in Las Vegas and you are a real estate agent and you want to help me look for cash flow deals, just reach out, DM me on Instagram or email me off my website. This first conversation will obviously be video number 1 in a series we are calling Buying Vegas, the one and only Joe D. I can't wait for you to see that. But yes, we have our first one done, and I'm happy to report we are meeting with Lisa Sutton later this week. So we will actually have 2 done. So kind of happy about that. The ORAC community, we only sent out a couple of golden tickets last week, but we did send out a fair amount of the black cards. If you don't know what those are, folks, those are cards that I use to interact with my community, right? I want to hear from you when you are doing the work. I want to send you a little thank you. I want to send you a congratulations. The gold cards are only for the golden tickets are only for when you do your first deal. You can only ever get one of those. But black cards, you can get as many of those as you would like. We have sent some folks well over 20 cards. Many folks have gotten 2 or 3. Again, if you're doing the work and I've helped you in any way, this is my little way of celebrating your success. So again, if you want to send me something that you've closed, please let me know. The easiest way is IG, Instagram, or go to my website, onerentalatatime.com, and you can reach out to me from there. Conferences, again, I have actually, I have 3 conferences coming up. So we have really in quick succession. I think we're going to, I think Media's conference is first. I look forward to that session. Again, if you are thinking about going to grow with video, Sean Cannell has been gracious enough to give a coupon code of Zuber. I believe you can still get 50% off. $100. If you live in Vegas and you have any interest in video and you're not going to this, shame on you. Frankly, if you're in Southern California and you're not going to this, shame on you. If you are going, leave a comment below. Let me know. I would love to shake your hand, take some pictures, maybe sign a book for you if you bring it. But I hope to see you there. Then we're going to go to WealthCon, Ryan Pineda's event, and I'll actually be speaking at Ryan's event. So I'm working on a presentation I'm calling Be Legendary. I may give you a taste of that later, but yes, That is something I am working on. And then after that, we are keynoting an event in Oregon, I believe, or Washington. It's Northwest Action Summit, I believe. So 3 quick conferences coming up last 2 weeks of April, first week of May. Love to do more, love to keynote, love to speak, love to share. In fact, something I did for you yesterday is I shared a presentation thanks to Jim Ingersoll and Dealmaker, where he allowed me to come out and speak to the audience. I believe the presentation was done in 2019. So if you want to see a presentation from myself from 2019, it's on my channel. You can see if let me know, did my message change? Has anything changed in 5 years, folks? The good news about one rental at a time is it is my story. And hopefully when you see that video, you'll be able to go, yep, nothing has changed. So again, if you want to see that, it is there. It's a little bit over an hour, but hopefully you enjoy it. I'll be on a podcast. I was on one podcast last week. If you have a podcast, Nova podcast, want to help us grow one rental at a time, I would greatly appreciate it. I do not believe I have any scheduled this week, so I need some help. So again, if you could help me with that, that would be great. All right. So how much money did I make? Everybody wants to know YouTube money. So here we go. On the main channel, ORAT, one rental at a time, we had 92,000 views. We only had 127 new subscribers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, become part of the family. However, we did make $858 on the main channel. Daily Financial News is a channel with about 3,000 subs. I actually thought, and still do, frankly, think that over time, the Daily Financial News channel will be bigger than the main channel. Why do I think that? I think the main channel has a lot of videos. I think the main channel is frankly punished by YouTube because I do 3, 4, 5 videos a day. And frankly, if I am punished, I don't care. I'm having fun. Hopefully you're having fun. I see no reason to change. But yes, Daily Financial News only had 1349 views, 12 new subs, and made a whopping $14. Yes, folks, made $14 on the Daily Financial News channel. Now for Best of ORAT. Best of ORAT is where we take the best video of a day and we post it on the new channel. Again, Best of ORAT has a chance to be bigger than the main channel over time because I'm only doing 1, maybe 2 videos a day as opposed to 5 or 6. Best of ORAT only has 1,000 subs. I think it's 1,300 subs. So if you want to do me a favor, help me grow that channel, please like and subscribe to Best of ORAT. ORAT, of course, stands for one rental at a time. We did 2,500 views, 9 new subs, and we made $31. So again, Best of ORAT is less than half the size of the Daily Financial News. I think the Daily Financial News has 3,300 subs. Best of ORAT's only 1,300, but it made more money. So again, there you go. You have some questions about what I am making. So there you go. Book sales. Thank you very much. We do have 2 books. That one right there, 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires, frankly, needs to be purchased more. That is the book that I would hold on to. All of us need to realize that the first 5 years are rough. That book was written for you. It was meant to be put on your nightstand and you would read when it's slow and you had another issue that you're learning. That was the book that was meant to represent 15 different stories. My story, our story, one rental at a time, is just us, right? Olivia and I. 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires is 15 unique conversations. And I know a lot of us need to be reminded about the possibility and the process. That book is for you. I do not know what's going on with book reviews. Thank you for the 2 book reviews last week on one rental at a time. We are stuck, frankly, stuck at 56 reviews on my second book. Do me a favor. Please write a review for the second book. Let me know you wrote a review, and then I'm going to ping Amazon. I don't know why it's been stuck at 56 for 12 weeks in a row. Not good. As for the spreadsheet, we did get a bunch of downloads, but frankly, not enough. We just updated, thanks to John Sterling, the 54-year spreadsheet. Yes, 54. We've added 2023 numbers. It is there for you. Again, if you don't know how to get it, you just go to my website, onerentalatatime.com. And there's a box in the lower right that says 54-year spreadsheet or something like that. Click that, put your email. It should be emailed to you automatically. We did have 4 people sign up for the free course. We had 3 people buy the $50 or $99 courses. Again, folks, we have, if you're looking for handholding, we did a 10-week boot camp. The boot camp was $1,000. We had over 40 people be a part of that. I was able to record each session. I now give that 10-week replay away for only $99. If you want a little handholding, you want to look at your buy box, you want to ask questions, you want to play with the spreadsheets, you want to do all of that, nothing better than going through 10, which actually I think was 11 weeks of information at your pace. So go get it. It's only 99 bucks. If you want to get the deep dive buy box, that's only $49. Dan Bird's stock, a lot of you have picked that up. It's only $49 and many others. We also do the Las Vegas event. Frankly, not enough of you have picked that up. We did that amazing event you've heard about for the last 6 weeks or so. It is recorded. It is available for you. It is listed at $199. I will extend the discount for you. If you just do ORAT50, ORAAT 50, that will give you a $50 discount. So you can pick that up for only $149. Folks that came to this event were spending thousands and thousands of dollars and loved it and can't say enough nice things. You can pick it up for $149 and get a taste of each and every presentation. So there you go. As for the main course, how to get started one rental at a time, we had 2 folks sign up. Frankly, not enough of you. I know it is it's $400. I get it. I do give you an extra $200 in bonus. I'm doing that at least another week or so. If you buy the main course, I will give you the Vegas event. If you've already got the Vegas event, I will give you the 10-week boot camp, whatever you would prefer. But again, $399. Also, don't forget the Facebook group. The Facebook group. You got to get in new groups. You got to get in new environments with people that are doing what you're doing, right? Yes, myself, Lumberjack, Dion, Millennial Mike, all of us are there. But there are 2,000 other folks doing what you want to do, asking questions, networking. I'm starting to see meetups and people get together in different locales. If you're going to spend $400, get in the Facebook group. It's the happiest place on the internet. You will enjoy it. So again, highly recommended. Frankly, worth $400. I'd pay $400 just to join the Facebook group. Find accountability partners. Find people that are doing what you're doing. Ask questions. It is amazing. Folks, the ORAT swag is working. Again, I'm wearing this shirt, cash flow over everything. This will be available for what, 5 more days. This shirt, many of you want it. It is time to buy it. Cash flow over everything will go away March 31st. I will replace it with another shirt. So again, if you've ever thought about getting this, it comes in a wide range of colors. Pick it up. You can, of course, get the hats, the coffee mugs, the stickers, things of that nature. But this shirt, gone, not available. I'm not going to put it back. I'm only giving 1 shirt away a month. So again, if you want it, you want to have something unique to one rental at a time. I think there's been about 100, maybe 90 purchases. So you could have a unique one rental at a time thing by buying this shirt. So again, pick it up and have some fun with that. We did get a couple of book selfies. Again, if you get one of my cards or you have one of my books, take a picture, tag me on Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it. And then finally, Amazon referral links. I lost money. Yes, folks, that is a negative number. I'm guessing some folks bought stuff with my referral link and then returned it. Amazon, rightly so, said you get punished as well. Again, folks, I have some Amazon referral links. If you look at the description below for some books, or if you go to my website, onerentalatatime.com, there's a specific tab that I think says, "These made me rich." There are some books, games that I have used over the years that I find valuable. Highly recommended. I've used everything on that I've used or have. I think I even have some dog treats or something on there just to give you some color of what's going on in my world. So that is my week. Week 12. What are you doing? How's it going? Again, a lot of you are interested in real estate. I can't tell you a better value than my course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. It is $399. And I'm still giving away the $200 Vegas event because I spent a lot of money and I want more and more people to see the goodness of that event. So if you buy the course, I will get an email. I will then add it automatically or manual. I guess it's manual. I will go into your account, add it to your enrollment. So it'll be there within 24 or 48 hours. Folks, have an amazing day. Later.